Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode, which is a little bit different today because we're gonna make something in-house before we do this kind of a nice, strange, unusual riff on daiquiri. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video, another cocktail, but also something extra today. Homemade ingredients or in-house ingredients like we call them in the bars. It's a very important and very big major part. They play a big major part of the today bartending and mixology. First of all, because of the sustainable serving, so we're trying to use everything from the root to the flower. Second, because introducing a fresh in-house made ingredients, giving to you as a home bartenders or our customers in the bars a totally new different experience, and it's a miles better than just keep using the same boxed or bottle ingredients. It's like a chefs, you know, when you go in the restaurant you like to try new things and chefs trying all the time. It's the same with the mixology and bartending. However, you don't need to go in a bar to try these things, you can make them at home. And today I want to introduce to you something which I really like and I've not made it for a long time, which is quite bad point here for me. But yes, first of all, it's healthy. Now I know you may laugh, you say, okay, you're doing cocktails with spirits and you talk about health. Yes, we will do a cocktail, but let's kind of touch a little bit on the healthy point here. The juice which I'm gonna make today, it's made from fresh ginger, fresh turmeric, lemon and orange blossom honey. Any honey. I just like orange blossom honey. As a juice, it's very healthy for you to have one shot in the morning. It's good for the immune system, it's good for the joints, it's good for so many things. The ginger and the turmeric, if I have to go over these things, it's gonna turn up to video about healthy living, which you can do that. And in the same time, yes, you can use part of this juice for your cocktails. Why not? You may drink spirit, you may enjoy one cocktail in the evening or sometime, you know, just a one or two in the weekend. But why not making it with the fresh ingredients, with the healthy ingredients, full with the vitamins and bursting of flavor, okay? Nothing artificial. So today we're gonna make the ginger and turmeric juice. Okay, now before we're doing the juice, I wanted to tell you that you can do it three different ways. One of the ways to chop the ginger and the turmeric, boil in water, simmer for around 40-45 minutes, then go through the fine sieve, squeeze the lemon, put the honey, mix it, bottle it, you have it. That's one way. The other way is, again, to peel the ginger and the turmeric as well. Put it in the blender, blend it, then squeeze the lemon juice, put the honey, keep blending, then go through the fine sieve and bottle it. That's the second version. And the third way to do it is if you have a slow cold press juicer. Now that's how I'm gonna do. I like it this way, so let's start making it. So for my recipe, I'm gonna use fresh ginger, I'm gonna use fresh turmeric, fresh lemon and a honey, as I mentioned, but I want to measure kind of roughly what I'm using. So let's switch on my scale here. 200 grams of ginger I'm gonna use. It's gonna be quite spicy, but I like that. 196, that's okay. So them two. Then I need around 50 grams of turmeric. So let's see, that and 51 grams. That's brilliant. And that's it. We can remove this, take the cutting board and be careful. With the turmeric, it's a very strong in color. So if you wanna wear gloves, I recommend it because it's leaving a really orange stain, which take a little bit time to wash. Now the turmeric, this one is small, I'm not gonna cut. As you can see, I'm not even bothered to peel that because with a slow press juicer, you have a fine mesh, it's gonna catch everything. Just gonna cut in small pieces because this is a roots and they're hard for this juicer, okay? So you need to give it a little help when you juicing it, you don't wanna break your machine. So just cut in pieces. and let's juice this, okay? Right, a little bit noisy, but hey, that's how it is. Okay. Let's start. I'll see you in a minute when I juice everything. Okay guys, so we have this juice already. Now I need to use the fine sieve. It's already clean. It's not nothing inside, but just for like a, you know, safety measure, just to, if anything drop, I want to make sure it's absolutely perfect. So I need this. I'm gonna put that on the bottom so I don't want to stain my lovely mat here. Just shake or stir. And all I'm gonna do is just drop it through the sieve. It will stop some of the particles, not many, but just enough. Lovely. Now we need to squeeze the lemon. So gonna get the lemon ready for squeezing. If you prefer the juice to be more zesty, you can use 2 lemons. I'm gonna use just 1. I'm just gonna squeeze it. There you go. By the way, I'm filming first time in the history, I think, of Just Shake or Stir. I'm filming during the day, which is very nice. Actually, there's a lights outside. It's lovely. I mean, kids are back in school, so the house is quiet, so I can film during the day, which is fantastic. There you go. We have 1 lemon. And let's get the other one. They're quite big lemons, this one. I love it. Now you can squeeze your lemon the way how you want it. I like to squeeze with this tool because it's kind of helping to bring some of the oils from the peel as well to the juice. And a honey. Now with the honey, again, sweetness preference, I usually go with around 4 of the spoons, bar spoons, or 2 like a tablespoons. That will do perfect for me. 3 and 4. That will do. And then you stir until you have the honey dissolve proper in your juice and you're ready to bottle. So there you go. Okay guys, it's ready. It's already dissolved inside. So let's bottle this, clean the bar and make a cocktail. Now when I'm bottling, make sure you bottle in like a sterilized bottle. And also, if you want to drink this as a shot in the morning, as a system, like an immune system boosting and energy and everything, the whole good healthy stuff coming from the ginger and the turmeric and the honey and the lemon, make sure you put, let's say if you drink 50 ml or like a shot like this, put around halfway, a little bit over the half of the juice and add water. Or you can add now, this at the moment it's 300 ml, so you can add up to like a 700 or even a liter of water, shake it nice, put it in the fridge and just drink it, because it's gonna be very strong. The ginger and the turmeric is gonna be very strong in flavor and in spice, okay? But for a cocktails, it's a different story. You can keep it as it is. So I'm just gonna bottle this. It should fit in this bottle. As far as I remember, them bottles it's 400 ml, but who knows? They're probably not. Yeah, they are not. So 300 ml, we have just a little bit left. Let's see if I can squeeze it all in. Well, we're gonna leave it like that. Right, time to move some things away because I'm gonna need this space and we make a cocktail. Lovely. So the cocktail which I wanted to make today, I made already Mango Daiquiri a while ago, but today we're gonna make something different. It's gonna be Mango Ginger and Turmeric Daiquiri. It will be a lovely variation of the, of course, famous daiquiri, but it's gonna be more on the like a spicy side and more like a herbal side. And I'm gonna use as well 12 years old rum. I'm gonna use Malecon, which is Panamanian rum. It's fantastic rum, so we're gonna go on the age side of the rum, a darker because we have all these spices, and ginger is pairing really nice with rum, also with the turmeric, but also it's pairing with another ingredients which work fantastically well together with ginger, and this is a mango. So we're gonna use a mango juice. This one it's made from 8 mangoes. I mentioned before when I use it in the videos. It's a cold pressed mango, so it's absolutely 100% natural juice. Like whatever, exactly what I did with the ginger, that's how it's made. So bear in mind, you can use any mango juice, but as far as it's close to the, you know, natural, not concentrate, you're gonna have the best experience. So let's make the cocktail. A 60 ml here of rum. This is gonna be kind of a boozy, nice, slow, refreshing fruit sipper, okay? Why I'm going with 60 ml? Because first of all, we already have the lemon inside, so we're not gonna use any lime. And we already have the honey, so we're not going to use any sugar syrup or anything. That's your cocktail directly with this juice and with the mango juice, okay? So let's shake that, because this is, as I mentioned, made from cold pressed mangoes, so you gotta give it a good shake. It's like a puree. So I'm gonna use 30 ml of the mango and just 20 ml of my turmeric and ginger honey lemon juice. It's gonna be strong, it's not diluted, so use a little bit. If you want it to not be that much spice, as I mentioned earlier, you can just dilute the juice. However, I prefer it this way. It's a full flavor busting bomb here, trust me. I need some ice. We're gonna give it a good shake and serve in a cup glass. There you go. Give it a good shake, okay? Wonderful. Oh yes, this is amazing. It's a absolutely vitamin bomb. Okay, with some alcohol inside, but hey, we can deal with that. I need a cup glass and my strainer, and let's serve our lovely Mango Ginger Daiquiri. Beautiful. And for the garnish, you can use a slice of the ginger or even turmeric, or use a fresh mango. So I'm gonna cut a piece of fresh mango. Just a nice, kind of a simple garnish here, not going crazy about it. Just wanted to give a little, kind of a final touch on a cocktail. Simple as that. And there you go, guys. Our homemade ingredients: ginger, turmeric, lemon and honey juice with a 12 years old rum and a cold pressed mangoes. Beautiful. Cheers. Wow. That is a one hell of a good, spicy, fruity and rich, wonderful daiquiri. You can feel the earthiness from the roots, obviously, from the turmeric, from the ginger. You have this tiny sweetness from the honey, citrusy, but then the mango and the rum work fantastically. It's not your usual daiquiri, okay? Let's put it this way. It's not gonna be your usual daiquiri, but it's a wonderful variation. It's a lovely, on a hot summer day, I can see that working very nicely. In all honesty, I think it maybe need just a little bit touch more of sweetness. Seriously, in the whole honesty, because I think the ginger and the turmeric which we made here, it's kind of a little bit overpower the honey, but this is the way how I like it. So if you find out, if you make this and if you find out it's not sweet enough, add a little bit more of the honey, so you have this kind of a sweet note. I like it as it is, but I have to be honest with you, so you know what to expect if you're following this recipe. So maybe you need to add a little. Anyway, cheers. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I love to see you on Sunday for the cocktail book day. Yeah. Until then, stay safe Go make some homemade ingredients, try some new things at home. As always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.